Alright, so welcome to my first video. I reckon we'll do our first unboxing. And arrived today was the 2022 Topps Formula 1 Flagship. Alright, standard, as you can see on the front of the box, nothing is guaranteed, which is a bit weird, but we're going to look for a race worn relic card. So that's a race worn patch of any driver. But it's not guaranteed, like I said. According to the checklist, it's 1 in every 2 boxes. Okay, so we've got a box here. Let's just hope that, something comes in. Oopa. How we do this? Just like that. There we go. All right. Collect all 200 base cards. Look for race worn relics. There you go. All right. We're going to be hoping to get some parallels in here as well. But what's this? Oh wow. The British Grand Prix. That's nice. Keep that one. Put that aside there. All right, plenty of packs here. Got this here in Australia for $2.50. Pre-ordered it in about maybe September, and it's December the 3rd, so it got delayed a little bit. But it's fine. These things happen, I guess. So. Oh man. First back. Newly retired. Mattia. Stroll. We've got an F2 car. Apologies, I'm not sure how to pronounce his name. We've got Norris. Checker flag Norris. Not too bad. Flash Brilliance. Norris again. Take that. Latifi. Grand Prix winner. Verstappen. Okay, nice. And a Pierre Gasly. Cards feel fine. Feel the same as last year. Last year flagship, I got a. What did I get? I got a relic of the GOAT, Latifi. Honestly, get rid of that one. Sold that, but that was out of a pack. What a single pack! This is the first F1 box that I've gotten. There's nothing special in there. Roy Nissany, Alonso, Sargent. Pretty good. New F1 driver coming in. Checker flag Seb Vettel. It's a nice looking card as well, actually. I'm not sure about the variations or anything. Here's our first insert. We've got a Clear Air Blue Skies Carlos Sainz. Not sure why it's white, the car, but F2 Sainz again, and F2 driver. Sorry, I'm just trying to work out, how to hold it so we can see, everyone can see it. So we are at our third pack. We've got F2 Hamilton. That's a nice looking one. Brazilian flag there. Bottas. Perez. Oh. Is this a parallel? We'll put that over there with our checkers. Lando Norris to 199. Is our first parallel. Not too bad. Nothing special. Far out. The teal looks nice. I think that's it. I think that's what they call it this year. It's the teal. We got Color Science. I think that's a double, honestly. I kind of remember that one. Deruvula. And the other Ferrari. Charles Leclerc. Not too bad. I don't mind the designs this year. I think they're okay. A lot going on. Yeah, I don't know. They're all right. They're not too bad. We got Leclerc again, back to back, and our first rookie, Zhou Guanyu. Bad. Keep that there. Driver of the day, Verstappen. Yuki. Checker flag, Armstrong. Nice there. Another Charles. Schumacher. Not a rookie card anymore. Not too bad. And a Perez. Number 24. So you got the first two. Oh, I can't remember what it was. Last year was to 20. Was the portraits. But I'm not sure what it actually is this year. I didn't really do too much research. Like I said, I ordered this about 2 months ago. Moved a lot into the NBA cards again. So F1, haven't really been keeping too much of it. But glad it came. Thought I'd do the first YouTube video here of the unboxing. Here we got Driver of the Day, Verstappen. Lance Stroll. Jake Hughes. Nice. A couple of these F2 drivers I don't recognise. Obviously they're new. Checker flag, Verstappen. Oh, what insert's this one? The old school, what is it, 1980 style? We got not a driver, it's just Williams Racing. I do like the look of the cars this year. Don't know if that's controversial. I think they look really nice. It's still very sleek. So that card looks nice there. Bottas, Alonso, and retiree Seb Vettel. So far so good. Getting, I think, what is it? A checker flag in every pack. I think that's what they say. Don't take my word on that one again. Alright. Looks like a checker flag in every. We got Gasly. F2. Aussie. Fellow Aussie. Ricardo. Checker flag Schumacher. Here's another insert. We got clear blue skies. Verstappen. Oh, sorry, let me put that one in there. Verstappen. Otmar. And that's a nice looking card. Now, to 60. Like I said, I'm not sure about variations. I don't actually know if the serial number's different. I tried to look, I couldn't really find it. It didn't look too hard. But I know last year they were different so you could tell. But I think there are 10 variations. I'll have a look later. Here we got Ocon, Goat Tiffy. That's a nice looking card. Now that, Hamilton's probably my favourite driver. That purple helmet, I really rate that. That's very nice. Hamilton again. Let's see, look at the car. And a Mercedes, far out. 3 Mercedes in a row. Oh, that's a nice looking one. I'll be honest, I do really like that. And it's George Russell. Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula 1 team. That is not bad at all. Albon. Nice. Williams, really rate their livery. Portrait of Seb Vet. There you go. To 9. Portrait. And Max Verstappen. There you go. I want to move these. Oopa. Sorry about that. Move these to the side. There's a lot here. I'm getting a lot of cards, I'm not going to lie to you. So it'll be good to organise all these ones. Oh, like I said, only had one parallel. Oh man, this one's a bit of a pain. Hoping for a couple more parallels, please. And a relic, obviously. A relic will be very nice. Armstrong. Oh. Checker flag Perez, nice. Hughes, oh sorry, I didn't drive of the day. Perez. Pierre Gasly, checker flag, nice. And Pierre Gasly again, Flash of Brilliance insert. That is a very nice looking card. I remember the Flash of Brilliance, I think it was last year. Max Verstappen, Seidel, and Valtteri Bottas. Like I said, you know, it's nice, it's fun pack opening. F1, you know, my thing. Not looking to make anything here, just for the fun of it. Have some cool cards will just be a cherry on top, to be honest. Frederick Vesti, F2 Perez. That's a nice looking card as well. Latifi, K-Mag Checker. And there you go, look at that. Flash of Brilliance Hamilton. I rate that as well. That is a very nice looking card. Another Hamilton. Grand Prix winner. K-Mag again. Was that portrait? No. And Perez. I don't know what it is. Really rate helmets in cards. Really rate the helmet design. Especially when they got bright helmets. You might as well take photos of that, put that on a card. Hamilton's purple helmet's iconic. Anything with that, that's my thing. Just like the variation image last year, that helmet one, yeah, that's very nice. You got Vettel, George, there you go, Hamilton, portrait Hamilton, checker flag Hamilton, and another insert. I mean another parallel to 75, Frederick Vesti. To 75, that is not bad as well. We got Norris to 199 and Frederick Vesti to 75. Keep that. Green. We got Dennis Huger, F2. Look at that, pink helmet Vettel. Really rate that. Very nice looking card there. And Vershaw. I like that there are a lot of packs. There are a lot to get through. Makes it fun. Plenty of cards in a pack. For $250 retail, it won't sell for any more. No, nothing in there. Sorry, I thought. Franz Tost. Russell again. That's a nice looking card. Orange of the McLaren. Perez Checker. Alpine. Esteban Ocon. Sorry, I think our first insert of these, like 1981s, that says the driver on the back, not on the front here. So it just shows the team. Nice insert there. Raikkonen. Kimi Raikkonen, driver of the day. It's nice. Toto. Oscar Piastri. There you go. Formula 2 award winners. The new McLaren driver. Fellow Aussie as well. Controversial what happens with their McLaren, but can't complain with another Aussie, I guess. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's another insert, not sure. The Constructors World Champions. Mercedes. Very nice. 2021. Rate that. Look at that. Hamilton with his purple sunglasses on a scooter. It's very nice. We've got Gunther. Look at him. Legend. George Russell. Oh! George Russell checker. Daniel Ricciardo to 125. That is also not bad. So we got two of the McLaren drivers last year as parallels. Take that. Like the pink. Stappen, Guan Yu Zhou, and Max Verstappen again. I'm noticing a lot of the same driver in the one pack. Interesting there. Not complaining. It's kind of cool. You know, like I think we had 3 Mercedes just before. 2 of them were the Hamilton. One was the car. But nice. Oh, that is very nice. I don't know what it is with the pink. Really rate that. Fernando Alonso. See, there you go. 2 Fernando Alonso cards back to back. Carlos Sainz. That's a nice one. Checker flag there of Iwasa, F2 driver. And insert Clear Air Blue Skies Valtteri Bottas. K-Mag. Rate that. Lewis Hamilton with the purple helmet. And Drugovich, the champion. Very nice. What else we got? Keep it going. Perez. Pierre Gasly. That's a nice looking card from France. Norris. Jack Doohan. Checker and an insert. Rate that. Charles Leclerc. I like the white border. I like how it looks like our painting of some sort with the border there. You got Ricardo, Theo Porcher, Charles Leclerc there. Not bad, not bad. So far, no relic. We're good, we're good. Dennis Huger. Ocon. Stare there. Beauchamp. Charles Leclerc checker. Nice. Another one. There's Lewis Hamilton. So it looks like we've got both of them, actually, which is pretty cool. With the Hamilton and the George Russell of these 1980 inserts. Take that. Grand Prix driver of the day, Carlos Sainz. Callan Williams. And fastest pit stop, 2021. What is that? Abu Dhabi. Is it? I don't know. It looks like it. Nice. Keep going. Armstrong. Oh, that is nice as well. I have to check about these variations. That's a nice looking card. I like that. Iwasa. Checker flag Armstrong. Oh, what's this one? Bounce, rock, race, roll. It's interesting there. Haven't seen that insert. Nice. K-Mag, Perez, and a Yuki. No rookie Yuki. I think our only rookie is, what was it? Joe Guan Yu, I think. Looking at next, Bottas. Nice there. Driver of the day, Verstappen. Schumacher. Nice there. Alexander Albon, checker. And there is, it's nice, Seb Vettel. Christian Horner. There it is, Joe Guan Yu rookie. Oh, there you go, that's pretty cool. The freshest and the base. Interesting there. With a chance to see what I mean. We're talking about a driver after another. Got both of them. That's kind of cool there. That's funny. We'll take that. Tick that off our checklist, I guess. Yeah. Base rookie and freshest rookie. Third last pack here. That's a duplicate. We just got that one. Albon. Driver of the day, Perez. Nice. Mick Schumacher. Checker flag, Verstappen. Clear blue skies. I don't like how that's not even printed. That's a bit strange there. Alonso, Ocon, and Hamilton. Portrait Hamilton with the sunnies on. I'm sure he probably requested that one. It's a nice. That could be a variation though. Like I said, I don't actually know. You have to go through all of these and just double check. All right. Nothing here. The Hamilton. Sato. Driver of the day, Leclerc. Checker flag, Yuki. That insert again. Bounce, rock and roll, Bottas. Interesting. Hamilton. Danny Rick. And the champion, Felipe Drugovich. Last pack. Good. Looks like we didn't struck gold with a relic today. Nothing else for the rest of the pack. We're good. Hamilton. Duhan. Grand Prix driver Davis Verstappen. Checker flag Alonso. And Haas. Who's that? Schumacher. Nice there. Yost. Norris. Final card, Marcus Armstrong, F2. Now we're done. It's all right. Hitting today was pretty nice. Honestly, I really like the teal of this one. It's a 199 Lando Norris. Keep that. Nice there. His other teammate, it's a 125. The yellow parallel, Daniel Ricciardo. 37. And to 75, Frederick Vesti, F2. Not bad overall. Decent stack of cards though. Far out. Decent stack of cards. As well as all the inserts here. Now, I don't know what this is as well, but that's really nice. Now, it's totally cool. I really like this. It was good fun to open. If you're buying it to make a profit, you won't, literally, unless you hit maybe a relic of, Verstappen or Hamilton or Leclerc, things like that. Maybe you'll make your 250 back. But if you're buying it, holding it as well, the sealed wax, in my opinion, won't go up. It's just Topps Flagship. There's nothing special. They're paper cards. Buy it, rip it with mates, rip it on stream, film it. It's good fun. You can pack some parallels. My box didn't have the relic, but some other box will. Remember that as well. The relics are 1 in every 2 boxes. You're not also guaranteed that. All right. Thanks for watching my first YouTube vid. More to come, more just my card collection. I'll get some more boxes. Let me know what you think, what I can improve on. I'm just filming this on my phone. If you got any tips as well, let me know. All right. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.